Welcome. This episode, we are going to build part 6-05, the slide valve for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-05, the slide valve for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, let's go to top plane, Sketch. Going to do a rectangle with center point. That's going to be Smart Dimension. That's going to be 17.75 plus 17.75 plus 12. Oh, I hit wrong key. I've done line still plus 12, 47.5. Let's just double check something. 28 point. I want to have there 47.5. Let's just do down here. See if we get the same. Cancel that. Do it this side. That way, I'm going to forget the number otherwise. See, 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 28.5, 47.5. Perfect. Because there's several dimensions you've got to do, and I just want to make sure they add it up. But the side one will be, let me do that one again. Let's see now, 35 plus 6.5. 6.5 plus 6.5, 48. Perfect. So there's that one done. Feature extrude, and that's going to be 25.5. And I'm going to go mid plane just because I feel like it. Okay, so that is brass. It is. All right, so let's go down the bottom section. Let's do a normal 2. A sketch, click outside and highlight. We want another box, I believe. Yes, actually, yeah. That's going to be dimension. It's going to be this point to that point will be 6.5. That's 48. Yeah, just want to make sure I was on the right side. Let's see now. This point, that line will be 9.5. 9.5. Locked it in because you got bracing there. That's going to lock it in like that. And that should be 28.5. It is. Let me just leave that there. There we go. And that's going to be a depth of 6.5. So feature extrude cut 6.5. Okay. That's good. Now we want side view, which is going to be this one, normal, sketch, and that's going to be, we're going to do that one again. There we go. Now this line and this line will be, hold on, this point and this line will be coincident. There we go. Center point and this one will be vertical, I believe. Yes, it is. And that's going to be 12. And that's going to be 14.5. 14.5. And that's going to extrude all the way through. Feature, extrude cut. Through all and done. Now this one, this side, doesn't really matter which side actually. Sketch. Now we want another box, but it's not going to line up with this center point this time. So this point here and this line there will be coincident. Dimension is going to be 8 mil wide. 8. It's going to be from there outside the line there to line there will be 15. That means this one should be 25. It is. Now, is driven that one, so I can't change that one because these two are already locked in. So if I try to change that, they can't change. Especially those three there will equal the width of that. Now the depth of that is 13.5. 13.5, no 5, sorry. That's fully locked in, fully defined. Let me just scroll that one there. Through all and done. And there is a slight difference on that. Perfect. And that should be done. Honestly, when I first saw it, I thought, man, that looked confusing. It wasn't actually. So just make sure everything looks good. That's part 6-05, the slide valve done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you, I appreciate. I hope you learned something. I'll see you next episode. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.